Empower app issues usually come from broken bank connections, failed identity verification, or the app not syncing your latest account data before it loads your dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly why the Empower app isn't working, how to fix it step by step, and what to check so it starts working normally again. Start with your internet connection. Empower needs a stable connection to load account data and connect to your bank. If your Wi-Fi is weak, switching to mobile data often fixes loading errors or blank screens immediately. Next, check your bank connection. Empower relies on continuous access to your linked bank account. If your bank login changed, your password was updated, or your bank blocked third-party access, the app can stop working correctly. Reconnecting your bank inside the app usually restores full functionality. Now, look at verification issues. Empower may require identity or income verification updates. If that process is incomplete or stuck, parts of the app like cash advances or dashboard loading may fail. Completing any pending verification steps in the app clears this block. Another common issue is outdated app data. If the app cache is corrupted or the session data didn't load properly, Empower can freeze, crash, or show incorrect balances. Updating the app or reinstalling it forces a clean reset of all stored data. Also check for server-side outages. Sometimes Empower's systems experience temporary downtime or slow response from banking partners. In those cases, the app may fail even when everything on your side is correct. Waiting and trying again later usually resolves it. Now consider device-level restrictions. If your phone has strict battery optimization, background data limits, or security apps blocking background activity, Empower may not refresh properly. Disabling restrictions allows the app to sync in real time again. Here's the simple breakdown. Empower app. Problems usually come from weak internet, broken bank connections, incomplete verification, corrupted app data, temporary outages, or device restrictions. Do this next. Switch to mobile data. Reconnect your bank account, complete any verification prompts, and update or reinstall the app. Then reopen Empower and let it fully refresh before using any features. If it still doesn't work, check whether your bank recently changed login systems or security settings, because that can silently break the connection without showing an error. Fixing these steps resolves most Empower app issues without needing support.